For 10 years, the US government said this machine was impossible to build without Western optics. They said China was 2 decades behind. But yesterday, a lab in Shenzhen just printed a 5-nanometer wafer without a single piece of American or Dutch equipment. So, how did they do it? Here is the physics loophole they used to pull off the impossible. The core technology behind cutting-edge chips is called EUV lithography, dominated by the Dutch company ASML. Their machines are complex, incredibly precise, and the size of a city bus. For years, everyone believed that making these machines without Western parts was simply out of the question. The US sanctions were built on this very assumption. But what if China isn't trying to build an ASML machine at all? What if they're building something completely different? The emerging theory is called steady-state microbunching, or SSMB. Instead of a small, self-contained EUV source like ASML uses, China's solution might be a massive, factory-sized light source, a synchrotron, that can power dozens of lithography stations at once. Think of it less like a single, highly advanced machine and more like a centralized power plant for chip making. It is a brute force approach that bypasses the need for the super specialized mirrors and lasers that ASML has perfected. They didn't copy the machine, they changed the laws of the game. Now, why is this such a huge deal? This hardware breakthrough doesn't exist in a vacuum. It connects directly to the software side of things. We've been hearing about a software alliance between giants like Google and Meta to create an open-source alternative to NVIDIA's dominant CUDA platform. Imagine a world where the chip-making hardware is Chinese, and the software running on it is open source. Suddenly, NVIDIA's powerful moat, their lock-in with CUDA, starts to evaporate. This isn't just about hardware independence. It's about creating an entirely new, non-American tech stack from the ground up. If you thought Huawei's recent phones were a big deal, you haven't seen anything yet. The Mate series, with its advanced homegrown chips, was the warning shot. It proved China could survive and innovate despite the sanctions. But this new lithography machine? This is the nuclear bomb for the entire semiconductor industry. It signals a fundamental shift in the global tech landscape, moving from a unipolar world dominated by a few Western companies to a multipolar one with a powerful new player. The implications are staggering, and the tech war just entered a completely new phase. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more updates on this developing story.